Good evening, all. Yes, today which topic will start actually? Today, yesterday, guys, do you have any class today again? Hello, hello. Children, do you have any class today again?
No, sir, just math.
Just math. Okay, so we can discuss. No problem. So yesterday we were going through the triangles, right? No, today just we'll go with the next topic. Guys, we are just having no little idea on that. So and basically what we are doing here, we are making sure that we are just touching the topic, and just for writing the mock papers. I just shared the mock papers. How many have you gone through that in Google
Yes,
Classroom?
sir, I went through them.
Yes. So please every day, please go through the mock papers every day. Every one of you, please start, attempting the mock papers and just test yourself. There are answers also there, but don't copy from anywhere. Don't, copy from anywhere, and just don't copy, just don't go through the, solutions as well. Please sincerely start at, a particular time, and just correctly, 100% with a genuinely with honesty, you finish within 1.5 hours. Okay, so take whatever the time you have within 1.5 hours, you finish whatever the questions you finish. However the question, like how many questions as possible, you just finish within half, like 1.5 hour. You just don't go beyond that. So that is not going to be test yourself. Sit like profession, sit like real exam. Take it as a real exam and just start attempting that. Yes, Yogesh.
Sir, we should just write A, B, C, D, or we have to write the solution as well.
Need not see. That is what I'm trying to say here. You need not to write the entire solution and submit it to me. So even the problem, what I'm trying to say here is, you have sample question papers along with the solutions, answers, everything. I'm saying that you take a question paper. Okay, take a question paper. Take a question paper. Start writing. Exam. So let's say that you are starting an exam at 9 o'clock. Sharp 10:30. You need to finish the exam. Sharp 10:30. Within that 40 questions, out of 40 questions, you need to finish that. Out of 40, 50 questions need to be done. Okay, and guys, look at this here. Correct yourself. Okay, solutions will be there. Correct yourself. Test and just let you know, sir, I just attempted sample test, sample paper. I just got these many marks from that. From sample paper 1, I got this. Sample paper 2, I got. Sample paper 3, 4, and so on. I got this much. So at least every day 1 hour, 1 hour, one, at least every day one test, one sample paper you try to solve. Why? Because at least hardly you have just 1 week of time. So every day if you solve one paper, at least 7 solved papers might help you to understand the depth of the paper in your board exam. So everyone, please make sure that you are writing a mock, what is this, sample paper every day, one paper, and test yourself. Solutions are there, have given key as well, right, along with, and you just go and just check it out, that how many marks you are getting from that. Okay, clear? Any doubts? Yes, need not write any solutions. Write only options. Solve in rough paper. How do you calculate? How do you solve in your exam, school exam? Solve in rough paper and write the options, right? Like that.
Yes, sir.
Like that, you just calculate yourself and just tell me the marks. Okay. Don't cheating. No cheating. No cheating, please. If you are cheating, so indirectly you are cheating yourself. Okay, you're not cheating to me. You are cheating to yourself if you copy from somewhere. If you are not honest to yourself, solve yourself as many questions as possible. If you are able to do, like, out of 50 questions, you are able to solve 35 questions only. But solve it, no problem. Test yourself. You can understand, right, how depth, how far you are at, how far you are able to solve, and how long you need to prepare, how much you need to, what kind of strategy you need to apply for in these 7 days. Okay. Okay. All right. And guys, look at this here. Do you know the weightage? How many of you know the weightage? Guys, do you know the weightage or not? Topic wise weightage.
Sir, not exactly, sir.
Look at this. Let me show. The weightage is very important. Going in a smart way is very important. If you are going for a competitive exam, if you are going for a public exam, something like that, make sure that you are moving, moving in a smart way. Look at this here. If you just look at the weightage here, so number system 6 marks, from algebra 10 marks, coordinate geometry 6 marks, so geometry 6 marks, trigonometry 5 marks, mensuration 4 marks, statistics and probability 3 marks. Which means what? You need to more focus on, you need to focus more on what? Algebra. Okay, pair of linear equations into variables. Okay, so just focus on that. 10 marks you are getting from that. Then next, second priority should go for what? coordinate geometry or number system or geometry. Okay, so and after that trigonometry, then mensuration, then statistics. Just prioritize yourself which chapter you're like. If you're extremely, if you're supremely good at the topic, algebra and all, then just need not to go for that. Need not to go for that. You better go with the topic you are lacking with. Okay, so let's say that numbers, real number 6 marks, algebra 10 marks. Look at this, from these two topics 10 marks, polynomials and pair of linear equations into variable 10 marks. Okay, coordinate geometry 6 marks, geometry 6 marks, and trigonometry 5 marks, and mensuration 4 marks, probability 3 marks. Just look at the weightage, how the weightage is. Okay, prepare accordingly, guys. Hope it is clear. Yes, now let us not waste much time, and just tell me which topic let us discuss today, which topic problem we'll solve today. Tell me. Coordinate geometry, already have given the problems to you all. uh, we solved triangles yesterday. Probability, shall we go for probability?
So probability is simple. Can we go something other difficult?
Yes, probability is easy for you. Then surface areas and volumes, shall we go?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
that's not in the syllabus.
Sorry, that is
Yes,
term
sir.
two, right? That is term two. My bad.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
polynomials.
Huh? Polynomials, okay? We didn't solve polynomials,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Real numbers we solved, polynomials we need to solve, pair of linear equations we solved, coordinate geometry I gave a worksheet. Please do solve that. Probably tomorrow we'll solve that. Triangles we solved. Okay, introduction to trigonometry we solved. Areas related to circles we solved. Probability easy for you. You are saying that. Okay, so polynomials we'll go with today. Is it fine with everyone? Every one of you say yes or no. So
Yes,
that we
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Let me just give me a time. I'll just pose the questions. कहाँ है भाई, आ जाओ जल्दी. 1 minute. Yes. Minimum 25 questions we need to solve today. Minimum 25. कितना minimum 25. Target is 25. चलो. Yes. Everyone, please have a look at the screen. I think you are not able to see. Yes. Look at the first question, everyone. Which of the following is not a polynomial? भाई ये तो लड्डू सवाल है. Which of the following is not polynomial? बताओ. Which of the following is not a polynomial? Hello.
Sir, option D.
D है भाई. नीचे like your power of the variable cannot be a negative number. Power of the
Yeah.
variable should be a whole number, isn't it? Option D is correct. Next, guys, will go somewhat fast. Will solve टकाटक फटाफट. बताइए. Everyone try to focus. ठीक है. Next, if 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, then the value of a is what? क्या करना चाहिए? Straight away substitute the 2 in the place of x. बताइए. So 2, not 2, 4a minus 6a plus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2a plus 1. A is equal to 1 by 2. How many of you got 1 by 2 D option? How many of you got D option?
Sir, I got.
Very good. Simple question. Next question. Everyone, I need a response from each and every one of you. Tushar, Tanvi, Steve, Yogesh, Pratyusha, Pratibha, Shadab, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Respond. Amrita ji, respond karo, jaldi. Next, third question. Same question. One of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is -3. Then what is the value of k? What is the answer? What is the answer? क्या करना
Sir,
चाहिए?
option A, 4/3.
4/3. K के जगह in place of k I need to substitute -3. That's it. So in place of x I need to substitute -3. So you will get it. Look at this here. 9k minus 9k minus 9 plus 3k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 12k is equal to कितना? 8. So how much? 2. I think we once again कहाँ चलेगा mistake? 12k is equal to how much? Plus 8. 9 minus 3. अच्छा -3 है इधर, तो इधर -3 के भाई, -3 के. Look at this here, -3. So 6k is equal to 8. So 4/3. Option A is right. ठीक है. Next, fourth question. One of the zeros
Sir,
of the quadrant.
option B, -10.
-10. Good. What about others? How many of you got -10? बताइए जल्दी. How many of you got
I
minus
got.
10? How many of you? Girls, Tushar, what is her name?
Sir, I got.
Yes, sir, -10.
What about others? Amrita ji.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, even I got -10.
Next question. देखो, this has been asked in 2020 CBSE. देखो, this question has been asked in 2020. तो आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में भी this type of question you might get asked. देखो 2020 में है तो 2021 में भी possibility है same type of question, but not same question. 2 and 3 are zeros of this polynomial. The value of k क्या होता है? क्या value
Sir,
of k and
option
m?
C.
तो क्या करना चाहिए? पहले तो
C, sir.
पहले first you need to substitute 2 in place of x. Again substitute 3 in place of x. Solve both of them. Which option you got?
Sir,
C, sir.
rather you could just substitute,
Yes.
rather than substituting, use alpha
Yes.
plus beta and alpha beta.
Exactly. That is also right. Alpha plus beta. Absolutely right. In that way also you can do that. ठीक है, ये इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन नहीं है. देखो थोड़ा सब्स्टिट्यूट करके इक्वेशन माइंड में बना सकते हैं हम लोग. माइंड कैलकुलेशन बनाओ, 2 इक्वेशन कैलकुलेट, you will get it. That is also correct. As you told option, as you told Shadab, that is also correct. Which option is correct now? M value, C option है. How many
Option C.
Very good. Next question. Tanvi, are you able to understand? Pratibha, Pratyusha, understanding. हमने teach scratch. We are not going from the basic actually. हमने question solve कर रहे हैं, तो we have to go somewhat fast. भागना चाहिए. ठीक है, चीता जैसा. Next, 6th question.
Sir, option A, 3.
The value of p for which -4 is the zero of the polynomial. कुछ नहीं है भाई, जो जीरो देखो बेटा, जीरो, रूट, सॉल्यूशन, ठीक है, ये सेम एक ही होता है, मतलब फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, फैक्टर. ये whenever he is talking about zero, root, a solution, factor, what you have to do, in place of x you substitute that particular value and just get the unknown thing. ठीक है. So which option you got? 6th one.
Sir, option A.
A.
3,
Good.
sir.
Good. Next, the graph of the polynomial intersects the x-axis at only one point. It can be
Sir,
what?
option A, linear.
It can be what?
Yes,
Intersect
sir,
at only
it's a
one point.
linear
Option A,
Very
sir.
good.
B.
At only one
Linear,
point.
sir.
देखो बेटा, at only one point मतलब one root. Quadratic मतलब 2 roots हो जाएगा. Cubic मतलब 3 roots. None of these are not possible. Yes or no? So linear मतलब only one root, which is option A is correct. ठीक है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. Which of the following is not the graph of the quadratic polynomial? Which of
Sir,
the
there
following?
are
D,
three
sir,
which
D.
are not
D,
quadratic
sir.
polynomial.
Sorry?
D.
B for बल्ले बल्ले, D for Delhi. बताओ कौन सा?
D, sir.
D, sir.
अरे यार मुझे B या D pronunciation I am not able to hear.
Sir, D for Delhi.
Yes, right answer. देखो very good. D for Delhi. थोड़ा guys, whenever you have graph of the quadratic polynomial क्या होता है? पैराबोला होता है. इसको बोलते हैं पैराबोला. ठीक है, you will learn in class 11th. This will be a parabola. ठीक है, ठीक है. It will not be like this. This will be a sin x graph. This graph you know it is looking like sin x graph, ये तो ऐसे नहीं होता है, it will be like this, sin x graph ऐसा होता है in fact, but ठीक है, this will not consider quadratic graph, ठीक है. Girls, are you able to follow? Girls, Amrita, Tanvi, Prativa, Pratyusha, Steve.
Yes, sir.
Good. The graph of the quadratic polynomial is what? मैंने अभी बताया, just now I told,
Parabola.
just now. Parabola, right?
Parabola, sir, option B.
Parabola. Very good. Next, देखो NCERT exampler are very important. ठीक है. If 10 of this is 2 plus root 3, then other 0 is what? कैसा करेंगे? बताओ. जल्दी से बताओ. Very good question. This type of question they might ask. How can you solve this question? Hello?
So we can take the sums. We can take the sum.
We can take the sum of the
Yeah,
roots.
the sum formula. So by -4 equal to 2 plus root 3 plus x, something like that.
I didn't understand what you're saying.
So the sum formula, sir, so for the polynomials, which is minus b by a.
अच्छा, okay. What is the answer? बताइए then.
Sir, is it option C, 2 minus root 3?
अरे यार ये दिख रहा नहीं, option D दिख रहा. 1 second guys, option is not visible, right? Option is not visible to you, right? Can you see the option clearly?
No, sir, I can't see the minus, but I assumed it because nothing else is matching what I got.
Nothing else is matching, then yes, absolutely. हाँ, option ये minus होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. Only A has minus number.
Yeah. Yes. Sum of, देखो बेटा ये plus मान लो, हाँ. Tushar, you are saying alpha, yes, you can take sum of some roots.
Yes, sir.
You can take that one. So what is the factors you got here? What is the factors you got, beta?
So -4 and 1.
X is
The
equal to
sum.
what? -4 and 1 कैसा?
So the sum is -4 and 1.
हाँ, sum is -4m. -4. हाँ, hello. Yes. Option C is correct. 2 minus root 3. How many have you got?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. हाँ. Sum of the roots. Formula क्या होता है? Alpha beta is root होगा.
Minus B
by A. Product of the root क्या हो जाएगा? C by A. बताओ भाई. Sum of the roots and product of the roots खत्म. Next question.
Sir,
Sir,
once
I
can
got
it do
option
so
A,
that then
-2 and
Sir,
minus
option A,
three.
minus
Yes,
2
yes,
and
yes.
minus 3, sir.
ठीक है. This Ashish is asking, so we'll do this. No problem. 10 to 1. देखो. इधर if you compare जैसे alpha and beta రెండు రూట్లు తీసుకో బేటా. ఓకే. అందులో ఒకటి ఇచ్చాడు, ఇంకోటి కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. బీటా కనుక్కోవాలి. ఆల్ఫా ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? 2 plus root 3. అంతేనా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
yes,
ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి మనకు ఈ దీని ప్రకారం ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఫార్ములా ఏంటి బేటా?
minus b.
మైనస్ బి బై ఏ అంటే బి బై మైనస్ బి, మైనస్ ఇటు మైనస్ బి ఎంత 4 కదా,
4
ఏ ఎంత 1 కదా,
minus 4.
అంటే 4 కదా. అవునా? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు చూడు, నాకు ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ 4 వచ్చింది. ఆల్ఫా ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 2 plus root 3 ఇచ్చాడు ప్లస్ బీటా 4 కదా. బీటా ఏమవుతుంది నాకు చెప్పు? 4 minus 2 minus root 3. సో బీటా ఏమవుతుంది? 4 minus 2, 2 minus root 3. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ యూ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ఇట్. అర్థమైందా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir.
गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट हो गया जल्दी.
Yes,
Guys.
sir, option A, -2 and -3.
Every one of you please tell me, am I going fast?
No,
No,
sir.
sir,
I'm
it's,
sorry.
It's not
no,
fast,
sir,
sir.
it's fine.
No, it's fine, right? I'm not rushing, right? Yes. Chalo.
Yes.
This is how we need to solve. This is yes, zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Zeros, factorization.
Sir, option A.
Option A. Very good. Next question.
Sir,
Ashish,
this is also option A, sir.
12th also option A. How many have you got 12th also option
Sir,
A?
I got.
Great. Plus or minus 3 root 3. ठीक है. ऑप्शन ये.
Yes.
कुछ नहीं है भाई, उधर कुछ नहीं है. वेरी सिंपल एक्चुअली. जीरो शब्द मतलब क्या होता है? जीरोस मतलब जीरो के, देखो बेटा इसको जीरो के साथ इक्वेट करो बस. क्या हो जाएगा? जीरो 27, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Z is equal to square root of 27. That can be written as what? Plus or minus 3 root 3. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 3 root 3. आशीष अर्थమైందా?
Yes, sir. Understood.
चलो 13th one. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Udbhav is not present here. Udbhav is not present here. 1 second. Please solve the question. Let me post a message in the group. द जीरोस ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल क्या होता है? जीरोस बताओ बेटा, इसको क्या करो, पहले सॉल्व करो, ठीक है? एक्सपैंड दैट.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
माय वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग. यस, हाँ. 13th वन, फर्स्ट क्या करो, उसको एक्सपैंड करो. एक्सपैंड इट. इफ यू एक्सपैंड, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? ए बी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस ए सी एक्स माइनस बी सी, ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल, जीरो से इक्वेट करना है. तो क्या करना है मुझे? देखो, एक्स ए एक्स कॉमन करूंगा तो क्या मिल जाएगा मुझे? बी एक्स माइनस सी, प्लस बी कॉमन करेंगे तो क्या मिल जाएगा मुझे? बी एक्स माइनस सी इज इक्वल टू 0. तो बी एक्स माइनस सी इज इक्वल टू 0, ए एक्स प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 0. एक्स इज इक्वल टू सी बाई बी. कहाँ अवेलेबल है? तो एवरीवन एवरीवेयर इज अवेलेबल. सो एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी बाई ए. ऑप्शन सी.
Sir, option C.
हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट ऑप्शन सी?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I got
Great, beta. Great. Congratulations. Next, the number of polynomials having zeros minus 2 and 5.
Sir, D.
More than 3. It's actually infinite.
Yes, sir.
More than 3. देखो 1, 2, 3 नहीं पॉसिबल होगा. More than 3 तो infinite. ठीक है. Number of polynomials having zeros, हाँ कितना भी हो सकता है भाई. हाँ infinitely हो सकता है. तो more than 3.
Infinite is more than 3. Yeah.
Yes. हाँ. Next question. Zeros of the polynomial. Is it true? मतलब इसको फैक्टराइज करो. दीनी फैक्टराइज, इसको फैक्टराइज करने के बाद
Yes, sir.
आपको
It's true.
True, sir.
ट्रू है तो ट्रू. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यू आर सो फास्ट यार सबने. ठीक है. एवरीवन, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? एवरी रियल नंबर इज द जीरोस ऑफ द जीरो पॉलिनोमियल. एवरी रियल नंबर इज
No,
द जीरोस.
false, sir.
ट्राई टू
Not
अंडरस्टैंड.
every real number is not
यस
not the zero. It's false.
यस, ग्रेट. लुक एट इट. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. वो क्या पूछना चाहते हैं? देखो, एवरी रियल नंबर इज जीरोस. जीरोस मतलब आई मीन रूट्स और सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ द जीरो पॉलिनोमियल. फर्स्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज जीरो पॉलिनोमियल. व्हाट इज जीरो पॉलिनोमियल? Anyone of you, please. What is zero polynomial? Are hello? But
Sir, the
every real number is
equation
a zeros.
equals to 0.
Yes, it is a true actually. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Since the coefficient would be 0, any
Yes.
number multiplied by 0 would give us 0.
Exactly. Coefficient of every variable would be what? 0. So किससे भी मल्टीप्लाई करो 0 हो जाएगा. तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? ट्रू है. तो एवरी रियल नंबर क्या होता है? इज अ जीरो, इज अ सॉल्यूशन, इज अ फैक्टर. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट 17th वन. मेक इट फास्ट.
Sir,
Yeah.
it's true.
It is also true. Guys, how many of you
Yes.
got true? 17th one. P of x given g of
Yes,
x
I got it.
given p of x is a factor of g of x. P of x is जिसको फैक्टराइज करो तो हाँ बन जाएगा. देखो फैक्टराइज करो, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स माइनस प्लस 1 तो x
Sir, we
माइनस.
don't need to do that. We have
Yes.
P of x, right? X minus
Yes,
1
हाँ
equal to
उसको
0.
हाँ x
Let's close
is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
सही है,
And then just
सही है. That is also right. True. Next, very good. Next 18th one. बताओ जल्दी से. वैल्यू ऑफ k 3 is a 0. अरे यार सेम क्वेश्चन है, छोड़ो इसको. Guys, let us skip this question. We'll go for the next question. 18th one. Make it fast. 18th one.
Sir,
Sir,
minus
C.
21.
Minus 21.
Very good. Next 19th one. Steve, Pratyusha, Prativa, Amrita, Tanvi, are you able to follow? Pratisha, are you able to follow beta?
Yes, sir.
Pratyusha, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
19th वन बताइए जल्दी से। Solve it. Everyone should solve. Everyone should solve. Please be honest to yourself. आपसे थोड़ा be honest to yourself whether you are, see I can't check whether you are solving or not, but you can check yourself, right? आपको आपको आपका दिल को पता है ना आपने सॉल्व कर रहा है कि नहीं. Please just ask yourself, question yourself, please everyone. 19th one, what is the answer of the 19th one? Zeros of, if zeros alpha and beta of the polynomial are such that, okay, then value of
Sir,
k.
12, sir. B12.
पहले क्या करना चाहिए देखो तो, how many have you got? 12.
Sir, should I tell how did I solve it?
Yes, you know,
Even I
sum
got
of the roots
12.
देखो बेटा, yes, very good, very good. Sum of the roots करो पहले, क्या मिल जाएगा मुझे? Sum of the roots is what बेटा? -7, I mean +7, isn't it? हाँ, product of the roots is what बेटा? अल्फा बीटा क्या हो जाएगा? k. ठीक है, yes or no? तो मुझे क्या करना है, तो अल्फा माइनस बीटा दिया है तो इज इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है, तो हाउ कैन आई जस्ट गो विद दिस, हाउ कैन आई गो विद दिस, बताओ. देखो मुझे अल्फा का वैल्यू क्या है, दिस वन बोथ ऑफ यू, 2 अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 2 अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 8, अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 4, देन के वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा, अल्फा वैल्यू 4, तो 4 माइनस बीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, देन बीटा इज इक्वल टू 3, देन अल्फा वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, अल्फा इंटू बीटा, अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज 12. ठीक है, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Beta I got, alpha I got, 4 3 is 12, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fast. Next question.
Yes.
चलो
sir.
चलो next question.
Sir, it's true.
So sum of the zeros, हाँ ये तो माइनस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x सही है, तो माइनस a by b है ना फॉर्मूला. माइनस a क्या होता है, माइनस ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x वेरिएबल, b क्या होता है, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर, तो माइनस a by b सही है फॉर्मूला. ट्रू आंसर. yes or no? आपको समझ में आया 20th वन? गर्ल्स, अमृता जी, अमृता,
Yes, sir.
am I rushing? Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir. I'm able to.
Pratyusha, Pratibha, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Pratibha,
Yes, sir.
yes. Next question. बताइए 21st, what is the answer? If alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then value of ये. अरे ये तो बहुत आसान सा क्वेश्चन है, बताओ. देखो वैल्यू ऑफ ये क्या है, पहले वैल्यू ऑफ ये इज इक्वल टू समथिंग इज व्हाट इज 3 अल्फा प्लस 2 बीटा इज इक्वल 12. तो क्या ट्रू है फॉल्स है, बताओ. whether it's a true or false.
Sir, I'm getting false.
You are getting
False, yeah, false.
false. How many of you are getting false? देखो हमने करेंगे एक बार
Yes, sir.
करके देखिए, एक बार सॉल्व करके देखेंगे. तो जीरोस, if alpha and beta are the zero of the quadratic polynomial, ये क्या दिया, x प्लस ये, तो f of alpha, okay, this is what he has given. तो f of alpha क्या हो जाएगा?
Sir, since this is being given, we can make a pair of linear equations
Yes.
by using alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and then eliminate it, elimination method.
yes. देखो एलिमिनेट करो इसको दोनों को एलिमिनेट करो, क्या मिल जाएगा मुझे. लुक एट दिस, हाउ इफ यू सॉल्व, सो व्हाट यू गेट बेटा, हियर दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, माइनस, तो अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस बीटा स्क्वायर. नीड नॉट टू डू दिस एज वेल, इसको भी नहीं करना चाहिए इधर.
Sir, since we already know that 3 alpha
Yes.
plus 2 beta is
Yes.
20,
Yes,
just
yes.
take alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and
Minus
then
b, alpha plus
sub-
beta is a 6 here, so alpha plus beta 3 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to how much किया है, इसको क्या करना चाहिए, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो ऑन बोथ द साइड्स,
yes,
सो 18 बन जाएगा. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो बीटा इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, बीटा इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच बेटा, -2 बन जाएगा इधर से.
Yes,
How
sir,
mu-
minus beta.
-2 सही है ना, 3 बीटा
Yes,
माइनस,
sir.
यस 18 माइनस 20, यस बीटा इज -2 राइट है. तो बीटा वैल्यू -2 आई गॉट.
Yes, sir.
तो कहाँ भी सब्स्टिट्यूट, इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. इफ यू सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर व्हाट यू गेट, सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर, तो बीटा वैल्यू कितना, ए का वैल्यू विल गेट ए वैल्यू, तो 4 माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू प्लस ये I am getting a value as -16. A value I am getting -16. How many have you got? इधर -12 दिया है तो false statement. सही है. False. Guys, how many have you got? How many have you got? 16. -16. Guys, he
Sir, got
has given -12, but we need to get -16 actually. -16 is the right answer, but he has given -12.
Yes, sir. So it became false because of
Yes.
that.
22nd one. 22nd one. Udbhav, why are you late, Udbhav? उद्भव क्यों लेट आया क्लास को? क्यों लेट ज्वाइन किया? You was out. ये आउट होना, ये एग्जाम के टाइम पे क्या आउट है भाई? आउटिंग थोड़ा छोड़ो, आउटिंग छोड़ो थोड़ा. एग्जाम बहुत नजदीक है, ठीक है? पढ़ना शुरू करो भाई. आउटिंग जाना, इधर जाना, उधर घूमना, ये अच्छा नहीं है, ठीक है? Whatever the emergency you have, please try to avoid that. जो भी है भाई, until and unless are you sick, until and unless if you are sick, every time make a utilize of that. कहाँ भी मत जाओ, don't go anywhere, please try sit and study. Don't waste your time at all. I request every one of you, please. ठीक है? देखो, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial of the form is negative of the other, then it is क्या होता है? Very good question, guys. This type of question you might get asked. ये beautiful question. Tell me. ये polynomial दिया है x square plus ax plus b. Then क्या होता है? One of the zero क्या होता है? Is the negative of other is saying. Then it is what? Has no linear term and constant term is negative, and has no linear term and constant term is positive. By this is a very good question. Let us solve this. What is the polynomial given? X square plus ax. This is my f of x given. ठीक है? F of x is nothing but given function in terms of x. ठीक है? So one root is what is saying? Let's say that let alpha and beta मेरा roots है. ठीक है? What he has given again? देखो कहाँ है? हाँ. One of the zeros is negative of the other. तो मुझे sum of the roots पता है, product of the roots. What is the sum of the roots here? minus a. Product of the roots is what? b. Yes or no? Yes or no? What he has given? One of the zeros is negative to other. Negative मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Less than 0. Yes or no? Less than 0. Hello?
Yes, sir.
One of the root is what? Negative to other he has given. Which means देखो बेटा, one of the roots मतलब देखो इधर क्या हो जाएगा? Alpha beta negative मतलब less than 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो मुझे बताओ ये क्या हो जाएगा अभी? नेगेटिव मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा? अल्फा बीटा इज नथिंग बट बी लेस देन 0 हो जाएगा. बी लेस देन हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाए? बी शुड बी नेगेटिव हियर. बी शुड बी नेगेटिव. बी शुड बी नेगेटिव.
Yes,
बी
sir.
शुड बी नेगेटिव मींस व्हाट? इधर से क्या पता चल रहा है मुझे? बी शुड बी नेगेटिव. इधर से मुझे बेटा देखो बी मेरा नेगेटिव है. इधर से मुझे क्या पता चल रहा है? बी शुड बी नेगेटिव. यस और नो? आई गॉट बी शुड बी नेगेटिव. हेलो, बताइए. बी शुड बी नेगेटिव हियर.
So then constant term will be negative.
Sorry. हाँ, that is a constant. That is a constant. देखो b should be, देखो मेरा क्या है इधर. Where should I write? हमने इधर नहीं लिखेंगे. 1 second guys, let me erase this here. थोड़ा मैंने स्पेस करता हूँ. Let me erase this here. हाँ, b should be negative. तो क्या करना चाहिए? देखो ax स्क्वायर नहीं दिया है. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ax प्लस बी इज इक्वल 0. मतलब देखो बेटा ये क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? 0 इंटू एक्स प्लस बी. व्हेन विल बी द बी नेगेटिव? इफ मैंने a को 0 मान लूं तभी तो b नेगेटिव होगा. एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी माइनस बी. गाइस, एज पर द कंडीशन आई गॉट b एज ए नेगेटिव हियर. ठीक है? एज पर द गिवन कंडीशन. तो when b will be negative here? b कब नेगेटिव हो सकता है? अगर ये 0 होगा तभी तो b नेगेटिव होगा. Since look at this here, minus b here. 0 into x 0, so x square is equal to minus b. तो x is equal to what? Plus or minus square root of negative b. Square root of negative b. Guys, this is what I got here. तो इधर से मुझे क्या पता चल रहा है? इधर से क्या पता चल रहा है? मुझे कांस्टेंट टर्म नेगेटिव है. कांस्टेंट टर्म नेगेटिव इन ऑप्शन ए इज गिवन. कांस्टेंट टर्म इज पॉजिटिव नहीं पॉसिबल होता है. कांस्टेंट टर्म नेगेटिव, कांस्टेंट टर्म पॉजिटिव. तो ऑप्शन इधर ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन सी देखो, कैन हैव ए लीनियर टर्म बट कांस्टेंट टर्म इज नेगेटिव. कैन हैज नो लीनियर टर्म. Does it, is it have a linear term here? Is it have a linear term?
Yes,
Is it
sir,
have a
it will
li-
have a limit term.
How? No. అరే భాయ్ ఇదర్ ఏ జీరో है बेटा. ఏ జీరో కదా, లీనియర్ టర్మ్ ఉండదు. ఇంకా లీనియర్ టర్మ్ అంటే ఇది హ్యావింగ్ డిగ్రీ
Sir,
1 కదా.
is,
ఇప్పుడు
sir, if x is 0, right?
నో 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 నో. ఇప్పుడు లీనియర్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి మనకి ఎక్స్ డిగ్రీ యొక్క అంటే ఎక్స్ విల్ బి లుకింగ్ ఎట్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్, రైట్? బి విల్ బి నెగेटिव. बी विल बी नेगेटिव व्हेन ए वैल्यू 0. अगर ए वैल्यू 0 होता है तो क्या होगा? बी वैल्यू नेगेटिव होता है. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अगर ए वैल्यू 0 होगा तभी बी वैल्यू नेगेटिव हो सकता है एज पर द कंडीशन. व्हाई वी आर सेइंग अबाउट, व्हाई वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बी वैल्यू एज नेगेटिव? सिंस वी गॉट बी लेस देन 0, मतलब बी लेस देन 0 मतलब नेगेटिव. ठीक है. बी वैल्यू नेगेटिव कब हो सकता है? अगर ए वैल्यू 0 होता है. तो ए को सब्स्टिट्यूट करो 0, 0 इंटू एक्स 0 हो जाएगा. तो मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? एक्स वैल्यू, बी वैल्यू नेगेटिव मिल रहा है, नेगेटिव में आ रहा है. हाँ सही है. हाँ अभी देखो what he has given option I deleted option. Which are the option I deleted? Option A and option B and D I deleted. And what are the possible options? It could be either A or C. C क्या दिया है? Can have a linear term. Linear term नहीं possible है, इधर ये भी नहीं possible है. Can have a linear term. Linear term is nothing but what? Degree should be 1 year. देखो मेरा linear term क्या हो रहा है इधर? देखो linear term क्या हो जा रहा है? The term which has degree 1, that is getting 0, which means no linear term. Option A is correct. How many of you understood this? How many of you understood this? Option A should be
Understood,
correct.
sir.
Guys उधर मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ? B is negative I got, right? B less than 0 I got here. I got B less than 0, which का उसका मतलब क्या होता है? B नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. B नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. B कब नेगेटिव होगा? अगर ये 0 हो सकता है. अगर ये 0 होगा तो x square value minus B I got. Now as per the condition what? As per the condition is what? Constant is what I got? Constant term is what?
Negative,
Is
sir.
negative. Constant term negative when it has no linear term. When it has low linear term. When it has no linear term, the constant term is negative. देखो, when it has no linear term and the constant term is negative. देखो, this is what the option. None of the options are matching except option A. Hope it is clear to everyone. Are you getting any
Yes,
noise
sir.
from my side? Hello? Are you getting any noise from my side?
No, sir, no nice.
No. चलो इधर देखो 23rd question, guys. 22nd is a beautiful question. Focus on that please. P and Q are zeros of this polynomial. Then P minus Q. भाई simple है. बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. 23rd. P and Q are zeros of the polynomial, which मतलब P plus Q, alpha plus beta, how much? Minus 2/3. ठीक है? Yes or no? PQ, how much? Product of the roots. Minus C by A. So C by A. तो minus 3. 9 minus 9/3, how much? Minus 3. हाँ. बताइए जल्दी से बताओ. जल्दी से बताओ. I need P minus Q value, right? How can I find out? Discriminant का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? B square minus 4AC. What is B here? What is B here? 2. हाँ. फटाफट. Not even, you need not to worry about that. Need not to worry about that. P plus Q I got. P minus Q क्या हो सकता है? Guys, that is a very, very good question. This is a very good question. How many of you got this? Steve, Shadab, Amrita, Prativa, what is the answer? बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. Take your time. Very good question. Take your time. Can't hear you. No one is giving the answer. What happened? I'll just make a space here. Boys and girls, आपको P plus क्यों पता है? How many of you know this formula here? आपको how many of you know this formula? P A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 4 times of AB. Can you solve this formula by using this formula? How many of you know this formula?
Yes, sir. I know.
Yes. So कहाँ लिखेंगे? Guys, I'm writing here. Look at this. Which question is the 23rd, right? So P plus Q I got minus 2 by 3. PQ I got minus 3. I need to find P minus Q. But whenever you get this type of situation, आपको फॉर्मूला पता है ना, A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 4 times of AB. तो
Sir, option C.
Option C is right. देखो P plus Q whole square is equal to P minus Q whole square plus 4 times of 4PQ. This is a formula as per the formula. So P minus Q how much? Minus 2 by 3 whole square. P minus Q how much? That is what I need to find out. 4 times of minus 3. तो देखो P minus Q whole square is equal to what? 4 by 9 plus 12.
Sir, minus 2 by 3 whole square.
Whole square is equal to how much? How much you get बेटा इधर कितना आता है आपको? 4 9 12 9 how much? 12 9 how much? 108 plus 4 1112 1112 by 9 1112 by 9 అంటే square root of this P minus Q how much? This is what I got. So this can be written as what? Denominator should be 3. Guys, look at this here. Yes, done with the answer. A option not possible. B option not at all possible. Denominator is 3, but numerator is minus 2. Minus 2 कितना कहाँ से आ गया भाई? Minus 2 is not possible. I have 112. So B option is also not possible. None of them not possible. Option C is right answer. ठीक है? 16 7 also 112, right? इसको स्क्वायर करो भाई, स्क्वायर करो. 4 square 16, 16 7 112. Yes or no? So plus or minus 4 root 7 by 3. Yes or no, people?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shut up. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Guys, how I solved here? देखो मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ. इधर P minus Q 1112 by 9. Need not to solve this also. इधर से ही मुझे आंसर पता चल जाएगा. देखो इधर रूट 9 है ना डिनोमिनेटर में. So denominator should have what? 3 here. So option A and D got deleted. B, either B or C should be the answer. B not possible. Why? Because numerator is only 2. Just 2 है. इधर स्क्वायर रूट है बेटा. मेरा आंसर प्लस और माइनस में आएगा. तो that is only option C. Beta have square root, so our answer would be in plus or minus. So that is giving me only C option. Okay. Next, guys, beautiful questions. 22 and 23 are very good questions. Next, 24th question. देखो, the polynomial whose zeros are. Which one? Polynomial whose zeros are. बेटा इसको कैसा मेरे पास रूट्स है तो मेरा quadratic equation, how can I find out quadratic equation? What was the formula? Beta x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Yes or no? So x square minus. How many of you know this formula, yaar? Guys, whenever
Yes.
you have roots, you have a
Sir, I
formula.
got option B.
X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, which means x square minus sum of the roots into x variable plus product of the roots. Substitute in that, you will get that answer. Which of the options you are getting? Which option you are getting? Shut up. Calculate करो जल्दी से. फॉर्मूला क्या है? x square.
Sir, I got option B.
Option B is right answer. So alpha is what here? 2 root 2 plus 1. Beta is what here? Root 2 minus 1. Guys, understanding or not? Am I going fast? Make it fast. Tell me. Will you be able to solve now?
Yes, sir.
आपने solve
Yes, sir.
करोगे कि नहीं? बताओ जल्दी से. Yes, you can able to solve. Yes, this is alpha here. This is beta. Substitute in this formula, you will get the answer. Why we are using that equation? We know the formula. Whenever we have roots, for framing a quadratic equation, that is a formula. X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Yes, 25th. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial.
Sir, option A, -1 I got, sir.
-1. How many of you got
Yes,
-1?
sir,
Yes,
me.
-1. Very good.
Yes.
-1 is the right answer. Yes, beta. So 25 questions we have solved. We have solved 25 questions in 45 minutes. Okay. So so 25 से लेकर 43 तक. 25 से लेकर 43 तक almost you have 23 sums. From 26 से लेकर how much? 43 तक. Yeah. So 18 sums you have total. Please do solve those 18 sums at home. Okay. Yes or no? Guys, remaining 18 sums, please do solve at home.
Yes, sir.
Every one of you. Udbhav. Udbhav, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Udbhav, you need to make sure that whatever the questions you missed, go to these notes actually. Go through these notes and solve the questions. If you don't
Okay,
want to do that, at least go for the recording. Okay. Please, I request go through the
Okay,
notes and solve the questions. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Tomorrow we'll
Thank
go
you,
with.
sir.
And every one of you, please do solve the model paper as well, sample paper. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Sir.